G'day guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. I'm down at the Gold Coast store today and I've got a 2018 Mitsubishi MQ Triton. This one's a manual and it's in for a custom dyno tune for power. This Triton only has 5,000 kilometers on the clock, so it's absolutely immaculate and is like brand new. I can't wait to tune this one for the customer, but first we need to get it in the workshop and do the pre-tune inspection. This is a vital part to the tuning procedure here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. This is to ensure that the engine is in good condition, there are no fluid leaks in the vehicle and the fluid levels are okay. So the inspection on the MQ Triton has been completed and it's all good to go and ready to hit the dyno for the custom dyno tune. The owner of this MQ Triton has already fitted a DPF-back exhaust system. He uses it a daily driver, on the beach, and gets out in the bush with it as well. He's chasing max power and torque and an improvement in general drivability. His goal is for us to also really fix the MQ's lack of power down low in the rev range and off the line. He wants torque to really come on harder down low, so he's after a big improvement in response. So with the tune, we're going to be focusing on accomplishing the customer's goals, as well as concentrating on what the vehicle is used for. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm there are no underlying issues or concerns with the vehicle, then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car, whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimized power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customized tuning process. We've now completed the custom dyno tune on the manual MQ Triton. Let's take a look. In standard form, the MQ Triton had 85 kilowatts and 336 newton meters of torque at the rear wheels. After completing the custom dyno tune, went to 130 kilowatts and 483 newton meters. This represented over 50% gain in peak power and over 40% gain in peak torque. Remembering this car, this Triton, the customer was after maximum power. There you go guys, another custom tune on an MQ Triton. This customer really wanted to get maximum power and torque, and we have certainly delivered this today with over 40% gain in power and torque. And when he drives out this afternoon, the driving experience, I'm certain he'll be wrapped in. So when you're looking to enhance your diesel vehicle, that's what we specialize in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call or drop into one of our performance centers in Brisbane, Gold Coast or Melbourne. We've also got a massive dealer network right across Australia. So give us a call and make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.